This white bean hummus is so easy to make, just like your traditional hummus, but made with cannellini beans or butter beans straight from the can. It's so creamy and fluffy and comes together in just 10 minutes. Start in a food processor with 2 cans of rinsed and drained cannellini or butter beans. Really, any white bean will work. Then we're adding lemon juice, fresh garlic, salt, tahini, and some ice cubes. I find that adding ice cubes or a little bit of water just helps to make this super creamy. And then we just process it until it's smooth and fluffy. And just like that, you've made fresh homemade hummus. Nothing beats this when it is freshly made. I swear I could eat this all in one sitting. You can serve it on a plate or bowl or platter. I like topping it with some olive oil and spices. It's also really great with fresh herbs. You could add toasted pine nuts or chickpeas or even some lamb or beef. Enjoy it with fresh pita, crackers, chips, pita chips. Really, anything is good with this. I like using it in sandwiches and having it on hand all week. Enjoy!